Option trade sweeps results for IWM puts. The Russell, if you're not familiar, from alerts in 2020. Very actionable into very huge conviction points. You got two very heavily bearish plays, both following the stock strategies, which you can find in the Discord channel if you want to check that out in the description below. And they were both on heavy volume, one indicating the May position was fresh, then someone dropping a fat stack of 1.4 million on next day expiration puts, which is very, very high conviction and could have only been profitable if another big drop occurred in basically the same day. If you want more information on that, you can check out Trade UI, but I'm going to go and zoom in here a little bit here. As you can see, these are the 2 points of the conviction point strikes. You have the Friday one coming in kind of in the mid-range here, and then you have another one coming in here. And they were both basically bouncing off of middle range-ish areas here. One's a little bit higher than the other one, but ultimately they were both very profitable. You had the Friday ones that were $140 per contract and ran to over $170 per contract if you were to sell them at the peak. And of course, they didn't even buy them at these peaks. So if you would have maybe bought on that spike up there, you might have had a better chance of making even more profit potentially. And then, of course, this one came out a little bit later than the other one. And also note that these are GMT times, if you're wondering about the timestamps there, that essentially both would have been very profitable for you. With the Friday expiration one, that would have been 140 risk, and you would have made about $30 per contract. So if you had 1,400 in a position, you would have made roughly $300 in just an hour or two, depending on how long you decided to hold it. A lot of this occurred less than 2 hours later, so maybe upwards of 2 hours you would have been holding at most for a $300 return. That's a very good return. And just jumping into it here, that if you want to check out the platform, in the description below, the promo code would be freelancepreneur. And you can also check out the Discord channel if you want to contact me or Lord Commander of the Stockwatch there in the description as below, that you can get a hold of us there. This is the platform, pretty straightforward. You get the sweeps that come in. The hardest part is reading them. Obviously, there's other sweeps that aren't necessarily actionable. You got some more sweeps that came in for puts even a little bit before that too. And as you can see here, what you'd want to be focusing on is the shorter term sweeps. If you want more information on that, make sure to, of course, check out the description below for the Discord channel and check out Trade UI for more information. Thanks for listening in and have a nice day.